Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about the limit function. So we have our given equation. So we have limit x squared minus 4x plus 4 over x squared minus 3x plus 2 as x approaches to 4. So let's start to solve. So equal. So copy limit as x approaches to 4. Then we're going to factor out this equation. So we have x minus 2, then x minus 2. So the result will be x squared minus 4x plus 4. So the other one is we have x minus 1 times x minus 2. The result would be x squared minus 3x plus 2. Then the next step we have copy limit as x approaches to 4, then cancel out those the same factor. We have x minus 2, then the same as x minus 2. So the remaining would be x minus 2, then x minus 1. Then after that, we're going to substitute the variable x, which is 4. So we have 4 minus 2, then 4 minus 1. So after that, simplify again. 4 minus 2, we have 2. 4 minus 1, we have 3. So therefore, the limit of x squared minus 4x plus 4 over x squared minus 3x plus 2 as x approaches to 4 is 2 over 3. So thank you for watching.